Ajay Sawant, who is the CMD at Orient Technologies, joining in with us this afternoon. Thank you so much, Mr. Savant. Good afternoon. Let's talk about the IPO, right? What is the proceed, this 210 to 15 crores which you all are raising? How will you all be utilizing the fund? Where is it going to be in terms of the growth and expansion plan there?
Thank you for inviting me for your show. Let's proceed with the IPO money, what we are going to do with. So Orient is going to utilize the 120 CR money which is going to get from the IPO for our business expansion. Primarily two reasons. Cybersecurity and digital forensic is the buzzword today. Everywhere, every customer needs a security for their IT landscape. The entire IT landscape needs to be protected, and for the same reason we are coming out with our security operating center SOC at Mahape, and we are going to set up a huge SOC center to take care of all our customers which are spread across the globe. Second part of the money that we are going to use it is for device as a service, whereby nowadays most of the IT equipments customers are buying in a capex mode. We are trying to change the momentum, and if you see the CRISIL report in our RHP which says that DaaS business is going to grow exponentially, and same capex business we are moving it into the OPEX or a consumption based model. Most of the OEMs are already started utilizing this model called from various OEMs has a different nomenclature for it, but they are using it as a DaaS, and we are going to continue that for our set of customers as well. So that's the two primary reasons that we are coming ahead with the IPO and going to utilize the entire IPO proceeds.
All right, Mr. Savant, this is Snehi also joining in the conversation. Now let's talk about your financials a little bit. Your revenues have doubled versus FY22. What has changed for the industry and for your company that has led to this growth? What has worked out?
In our organization, there are three line of businesses. Number one is IT infrastructure products and solutions, where we have associated with all the data center solutions, which consist of compute, storage, networking, Wi-Fi, virtualization, backup, and everything related to the core banking application or the ERP application. That's we have been doing this business since our inception, which is with 1997. Second line of business is IT-enabled services. So IT-enabled services is where Orient core expertise is, and we take care of entire managed services, FMS, IT FMS, then sustainable services, and the subscription services in the second LOB. Third and most important business unit is all the new age technologies, which consist of cloud and data management. So we take care of the complete cloud solutions. Most of the applications now are cloud ready and they are deployed on the cloud. So we try to take care of a cloud, and in data management we take care of analytics, RPA and mobility solutions. So that's how the three line of businesses we are trying to provide to our customers.
Also, what is the growth outlook for the company in the next couple of years? Is this trajectory which you're maintaining, the pace of growth that the company has seen right now, is that something that is sustainable?
If you see the CRISIL report which we are attached to the RHP, and if you see any IDC or a Gartner numbers, IT infrastructure products and solutions is going to grow rampantly. But the bigger growth is coming into the cloud and data management, because cloud is exploding in the current IT landscape, and we feel that even if you see our last 3 years number, we have grown our cloud numbers to 250%. So cloud is definitely going to grow. We are focusing more and more towards IT enabled services, and that is why the cybersecurity services we are adding to this, and these numbers will also grow, which will get us the better margins.
All right, and over the last 3 years, the share of cloud-based services has also moved from 12.4% in FY22 to 25.2% almost in FY24. So what is the mix the company is targeting for in the next 2 years?
FinOps is one thing that we always keep an eye on the customer billing. Number two is the security operations. SecOps. So every application which has been uploaded on the cloud needs to be protected, and that's what the SecOps operations do. So those kind of services we provide. And then the DevOps. So application modernization is the key thing today. Every application needs to keep on enhancing the features and make sure that it's a feature-rich product, and that's what we do in DevOps. So we manage the complete DevOps, SecOps, and FinOps on cloud. So I feel that cloud business is going to grow definitely.
Right, Mr. Savant, and the company operates also in a very competitive industry with a number of large players, especially in the small and mid-sized companies. What is the strategy to face competition?
So we have GTM, which is divided into 5 verticals. Number 1 vertical is BFSI. So our maximum business happens into the BFSI segment, which contributes to 39% of our revenue. Second is healthcare and pharma. Third is IT/ITS customers. Fourth is government and PSU. So lately, last couple of years, we have tried and focus our revenue to grow in government and PSU, because Indian government, whether it's a state government or a central government or even a public sector units, they are increasing their revenue in terms of investment, in terms of IT, and they want to make their processes more and more digital. So we are trying to make sure that those pie of that business comes to us, and that's where our fourth business unit, vertical government and PSU, is growing. And fifth is, of course, the mid-market customers, which are typically of a retail, education, e-commerce perspective, and that's how we are trying to balancing out across 5 verticals our all line of businesses.
All right, thank you, Mr. Ajay Sawant, for joining us. On that note, we'll let you go. So, well, that was the management of Orient Tech joining us to talk about their IPO that opens on the 21st of this month.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.